I'm going to show you how to get rid of that mucousy cough in 5 seconds. All you got to do is get this Better Brands mullein leaf extract and drop 2 drops into a shot glass of water, and you do this for a week. On only day 1, you would see a change in your development of a cough, and you would start coughing up dark mucus. On day 2, it would turn your immune system from passive to active, and then it will start fighting off all the bacteria and problems and complications you might have in your lungs. On day 5, you'd be able to notice that you'd be able to go up the stairs without falling out of breath. And if that sounds like something good for you, right now, this is on sale for 50% off. So if you want to get it, just hit this link down below, but get it fast before it sells out.